So here's where the confusion came in. I labeled it as never. It sounds like never, but it is the word another. Cut straight from the old Zed Bias a cappella. It's probably slowed down.
Use my love and give yours to another.
I just really loved that delivery of the never. We sort of put it in, slowed it down a bunch with flex time, never, because before it was never. But I do a lot of automation. So I've got like some stuff going on with the vinyl effect, some stutter effect, and some crush. That kind of thing, you know. Just making it so it's not just the same old repeating sample. Didn't really know what to expect meeting Sam. All we knew was, wow, this voice is amazing. Whose voice is this? And Jimmy was like, oh yeah, it's Sam Smith. Sam's working at a bar down the road, just a normal person at this point. Before Latch, we were kind of a cool underground dance act. And then we were on the radio all the time. To write a song like that with someone that you don't really know that well really kind of set the pace for us, actually, of how we do sessions, because we do usually write tunes with people we've just met. There's not much getting to know someone. We usually turn up and we're like, we're here to work. Are you down to work? All right, let's make something. Get the pleasantries out the way, let's jam. So we get on to Sam, because I think that's probably the best bit. This was recorded through Jimmy's like nice microphone, Telefunken or a Neumann. And it was recorded into like a nice Neve channel, so it was good on the way in. I didn't need to do much to it.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around.
Bit of EQ, boosting the highs, like a tiny amount, using the Logic de-esser, and then a bit of Logic compression. 5:1 ratio. Here's the pre-chorus.
I feel we're close enough.
So double tracked for this.
I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby?
Another cool trick that we used here is we recorded Sam doing whispers.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love.
So it sounds pretty demonic by itself, but when you hear it in the mix, it just adds like air. Mariah Carey, like Mary J. Blige, R&B singers used to do this trick a lot. The air on those recordings is so much, but they're not like painful to listen to, if you know what I mean. They're not like...
I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.
Chorus vocals.
Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Okay, I want to hear this with less effects.
Now I've got you in my space.
I think we just need to talk about the accuracy of that first note. Because like coming in dry to the chorus to hit that high note is crazy, and Sam just nails it. Oh, here's Howard.
The chorus melody, the way we wrote that was really interesting because Sam sung, now I've got you in my da 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 da, and then da 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 da, and it was like, you know, it's kind of there but not quite it.
So what, like came up with the rhythm first and then you added the melody
and the
after?
starting note, and then I basically fiddled with it and like moved it around into what it is now roughly. That seems to be how we work. Like Sam will make a frame and then I'll mess it up a bit, and that's then it ends up being the end product. I really enjoy doing that. Like to have something to mess around with first rather than coming up with it, I think is maybe beneficial because you're not set in what it is already because it's your idea.
We got Sam to sing this so many times, and I think by the end of it, Sam was like, I think I need to stop, my voice is about to explode. The verse is just one single Sam, and then the chorus is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Sams. It really just helps it go wide and go big, and yeah. I didn't own Melodyne at this point. Auto-tune wasn't invented, or if it was really bad. This is just Sam singing excellently.
I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
Here's the lows.
Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Little Pearl Jam vibe there.
Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Oh, I've got some effects turned off there. It's just a little bit of stereo delay and a bit of Space Designer as well.
Got you in my space. I won't let
A couple more little vocal flourishes that happen along the way.
Heartbeat out my chest.
It goes really out of tune, that whole bit, and I love that because it goes into the breakdown and it all kind of falls apart, and then we put it back together in the build-up.
To make my heart beat out my chest.
Make it go crazier. So yeah, it's all with the Logic tape delay. So just using it as like an effect to build some tension, let you know something's coming. And then there's a few wicked ad libs at the end here.
And I'm latching on you. No, I won't let go.
Oh, I love that. No. Louis Armstrong vibe.
No, I won't let go.
Just so naturally good. Sam's just so naturally good. Oh, there's some highs on the pre-chorus.
I think we're close enough. Could I like it, your love, baby?
Oh, goes from falsetto and slowly fades into chest voice. Like, that is so skillful, man.
I feel we're close enough.
So I would have been just going
I
like,
wanna lock in your love.
yeah, a bit more.
I think we're close enough.
Full voice, go, go, go.
Could I like it, your love, baby?
Hip